guys are always wanting to know, how did I come around and choose this field? Well, the answer is, my microphone fell. Why? Okay, it's because I use makeshift things. You guys don't even want to see my setup. There's all these videos on YouTube like, what's your setup? How do you film? Oh, you guys don't want to see this. I will show you what I'm looking at right now. Oh my God! You live like that? Yes, I do. There's a lot of kids in this house. One of them has been homesick and he gets to do whatever he wants as long as he doesn't vomit on me any more times. Okay, good, okay. Frequently asked questions. Why OBGYN? In order to, I'm sorry, in order to answer this question, I have to go backwards. So I'm briefly discussing my OBGYN.com course. It's kind of like my timeline where I am now. About how I got into medicine, how I went to medical school, how I made decisions about what field I just, why is it bad? The sun is going down and the light is bad. Where could I go? What could I do? I have to film before the kids get home or there will be no filming today. Okay, let's try this. Oh good, it's better, but the background is not gonna work. I may have to film this another day, guys. I may have to film this another day. I'm trying to think of a place I could film with a less distracting background. Let's try this one. Ooh, it's dark. It's dark in here. I am so weird on video. I don't really think I act like this 100% in real life. Okay, yeah, I do probably actually. That's good. Okay, it's not the best, it's gonna work. I am very dense. I have an office with lighting. What am I doing? I have YouTube lights in my office. Why am I running around downstairs trying to find a place to film this when I can just walk up to my office? My brain only works 100% when I am doctoring. Now I'm trying to decide if it's worth carrying this setup upstairs. All right, let's go upstairs. I do not mind this actually. Do you like our New Zealand poster in Pax's room? It's so nice. It's nice. It's messy. Our whole house is messy. Oh, Paxton, your cute little walnut tree. Isn't it nice? House tour. Let me show you my crib, YouTube. Isn't this how I get the views? House tour. This is my living room. It is a mess because a kid stayed home with me today and he is sick. What am I doing? This is my kitchen. It is also a mess because we live in filth. Oh, that was the pantry. The door's open because nobody ever shuts anything around here. That's my computer and some junky Target chairs we bought 10 years ago when we got married. That is my bed, and it's not made because Milo was sleeping in it. Actually, he was watching TV in it. He slept in his bed. These that I am... Ow! Ow! This tripod messed up. These things I am ascending are my stairs. They're very steep, and I shouldn't be doing this while I'm holding a tripod. Every time I make a video and somebody new stumbles upon it who has no idea who I am, they say something like, "You're such a crappy editor. The whole first 20 minutes of this video were completely pointless. Completely pointless. And you didn't get to the point for forever." So I'm just gonna put this out there that yes, I am aware of this. And I don't care. If you want to watch, you can watch. If you don't want to watch, there's a little exit button. And if you want to skip forward to the important part, you can do that too. So I'm going to keep crappily editing however I want to, because this is my channel. happily edit on yours. I am in control. Of this YouTube channel. I don't know why you're here, but I'm glad you are. For those of you who are not mean to me in the comments, can I do a Brofist like Pewdiepie? Ooh, yeah. No, I can't. I definitely can't do that. All right, this is my office, and it is also messy because I don't know. I'm just realizing, you know what? We're just messy here. Here we are messy here. And bam! I have how's that? If some unsuspecting soul comes, says February 19th, it is April 3rd. No, it is April 2nd. It's definitely not February 19th. Okay, if some unsuspecting soul happens on this video at whatever time I actually edit this to be, it's 8 minutes of filming right now, they will be mistaken that I am someone who should be taken seriously. All right, so let's start over. Okay, now we can answer the question. Cut people open. Fell in love with it. And there you go. I just loved it. I am so happy to have you here. Like this video if you enjoyed watching it. Leave a comment if you have other questions or want to know more. And I will see you next time. Be kind to each other, to me, to everybody else. Just be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself, to each other, to me, in the comments. Be nice. Be kind to each other.